Good morning, everybody. What are we going to do? We're going to do a page from one of these, this one, on a piece of purple paper. We're going to do Flake. It is not even close to being cold weather, but that's okay. We're going to try a snowflakey type pattern. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw ourselves some lines. It looks like we're going to do a 6-lined thing. Then we're going to do some in the middle. We can get them to kind of connect here, so they make us like a star. A little one in the middle, then the next one, and then the next one coming outward, and then a couple of straight bits. So this one, and this one almost connect to make a star. And then we add a little bit of rounding here. Can you see that? Add a little rounding so it looks like this. And then here, looks like she's added some extra arms. May or may not do that. We will see. Let's go. Don't forget to hit the like button because, yeah, I don't know why, but people are not hitting like in my, where's my thing that it tells me thingamabobs. I guess it doesn't. Analytics maybe? Trends. No, that's not where I want to go. Overview. Content, audience, revenue. No. I don't know where it is. I saw it somewhere that I had like 500 views this week, like 191 views in the last 48 hours. But has anybody liked my video? Like barely any. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's YouTube. I don't know what's going on. But if you would like my video, I would appreciate it. Let's do a border. Like that. And then I'm going to put my arm, I'm not going to put it directly in the middle of the page. I'm going to go here. Like that. And then I think I want to make it a smaller. I've got a pretty big pen there. Let's go back down to a number 2. That was a number 4. We're going to do a number 2. And we're going to do, these go this way. Like so. And then another one this way. And one more kind of like this. like that. And then something like that. Then we're just going to do some rounding. And the rounding goes this way. Like that. This is a very simple pattern to do. If I want it to be a little more fluffy, I can put more arms, which I think I might do. I am making a mess here. Apparently, I am not doing a good job of being in control of my hand today. That happens. You could probably do this better than I'm doing it. But I do like the look of just a little bit of rounding just makes it look, I don't know. There's something about it. It gives it just a little something something. But it's definitely not snowflake weather around here. It has cooled off a bit from the previous days. So I can stay out here a little longer today. I can draw a little bit longer today as compared to the other day where I was roasting before 9 a.m. It is noon and I'm still out here, which is awesome. But I'm starting to get hot. So I think I'm about done for today. I think I want more branches. Should it be symmetrical? Probably. Am I doing it symmetrical? I don't seem to be. But I kind of like it like that. I want to put a frosty blue, sort of a bluish purple, light colored. Let's see. Maybe this one. No. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'll be able to see that. Try it on the back of the paper. No, absolutely not. Same exact color as the paper. I need it lighter, perhaps. Yeah, let's try that color. Sharpener. Oop. I don't want to be on the I want to be on the pen. I want to be above the pen. Can you guys even see that? I'm not sure that you can. I think I need to do this again, but in an even brighter color. Maybe even the white. Maybe the white. It smells like rain. Why does it smell like rain? Maybe the next color down, which is called in the color one is called 023C fog. See what that one does. Nothing. That one does nothing. Okay. Not that one. Maybe this icy blue. I'm losing my thing off my... No, don't go there. I'm going to go for this icy blue called turquoise blue. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I like that color. I like that better than the purple. Okay. Back over those lines again. Just lightly. Oh yeah, that's better. You guys can see that better. My camera doesn't do well with this purple color of the paper, so that it's showing not what it is in real life. I think what I want to do is I want to fill this spot with some like that. Ooh, I like that. Okay, perfect. That's what it needed. It needed a bright, icy color that's not white. That's what it needed. All right, I'm going to put it this way so that when I do my thumbnail, I can put the word Flake over here. All right, you guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on Friday. Yes, we are in October. No, we're not doing Inktober. Please hit like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.